In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive Personal Vault. This tutorial is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily. If you're looking to streamline your OneDrive experience or no longer need this extra security feature, disabling Personal Vault can be done in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, log in to your Microsoft account. Open your preferred web browser, go to the Microsoft account login page, and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Microsoft account homepage. Next, locate the App Launcher icon in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like a grid of small squares. Click on it to open a menu of Microsoft services, then select OneDrive. This will take you to your OneDrive dashboard where all your cloud-stored files and folders are located. Now that you're inside OneDrive, click on the Settings icon, represented by a gear symbol in the upper right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Options to access more detailed account settings. In the Options menu, scroll until you find the section labeled Personal Vault. This area manages the enhanced security feature designed to protect sensitive files. If your Personal Vault is active, you should see an option that says Disable Personal Vault. Click on this option. A confirmation message will appear to ensure you want to proceed, as disabling Personal Vault may affect how certain files are secured. Confirm your choice when prompted. In some cases, Microsoft may ask you to complete an additional verification step for security purposes. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen instructions. That's it. You have successfully disabled Personal Vault in OneDrive. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance with OneDrive or other Microsoft tools.